And we're back. We're going to finish this thing up. We're going to get ready to 3D print. This won't take a whole lot of time, but let's hope we do this the right way first time and not have to redo this thing 12 times like I did last time. So, here we go. We need to open up both of our files. So I got the bottle cap open. And here's my other one. I'm just going to drag it over here. I'm split screening it. But let's do the easiest one first. Let's do this guy first, okay? I think what I'm going to do is getting both ready to export, and then we will go ahead and we will get it ready to print. So here we are. Here we go. All right. We're going to start off with going to File, Export, CAD Format. Okay. Change this to STL. Go to Options. Please make sure this I just got funny text, sorry. This says millimeters, and make sure this says bottle cap. Put it somewhere you can find it. Press save. Okay, now if you did this at the last video and it didn't go right, I'm going to redo this again because I really feel like I taught this horribly last time. So now I'll go to this one. Sorry it jumped again, but I was having issues loading it. I have no idea why, but it was just not playing nice with me. Okay. Wait, no, that's not the one I want. I just want the bottle. That didn't work out like I had planned. So let me go find it, and we'll open it up. And there it is. The magic of pausing. I know, right? Okay. So if you didn't do this last time, we're going to do it again real quick. So I want to do the bottle first. So what you do is you click on the coil, right-click, suppress it, and it goes away. Then we're going to export that. Now, I printed one of these in school. It took about 5 hours. So don't expect this thing to be done anytime in the near future. But I will try, of course. So File, Export, CAD Format, and save this as New Energy Bottle or Your Name Energy Bottle or something else. And there we go. Okay, now to do the coil, click, right-click. We're going to unsuppress this feature. I'm going to suppress the rest. Now, you're welcome to play around and see if you can do this in a different way possible. I have not found a way to do the words in this separately because the words are directly tied to this. The coil is an independent feature. So that's why I can't do different words, because this is tied to the shell, the fillet, and the revolutions. The coil is its own separate entity. So if you're wondering why I can't do that, I can't. If you figure it out, go ahead, do it. I don't care. Export, CAD Format. We're going to call this one Bottle Coil. And there we go. All right, next step. Go ahead and open up your flash print. As you can see, I'm at home, so it's running a little differently. If by some chance you get some weird thing about an upgrade, don't worry about it. It seems to want to do a new upgrade every other week. So we're just going to go with the version we have. I'll try to work on going around and getting that fixed in the near future. So, which for you guys, that means next semester. So, all right. Load file. Let's do the cap first. That's the easy one. So cap. At this point in time, you may want to call me over because I got to grab these files, unless you just want to just give them to me on your shared drive or some other way. All right, simple enough. We go load file. Nope, sorry. We go to print. If you want to choose an extruder, you're welcome to. You go left or right. These are stuck at green and gray. You can't change it. So if you want left, you can go this way. Just try to remember if you want it to match your coil, because I'm going to match this with my coil. So I'm going to go print. ABS is what I typically use. We're going to go high. We do not need a RAF for this because it's a small print. I'm going to go speed, 40, and 40. If you want to do this the easiest way, just call me over afterwards and transfer over the files, but I'll be more than happy to give you a hand. Infill, I'm going to go 30%, so it's a little bit thicker. The rest should be okay. If you want to increase this up a little bit to 6, you're welcome to. I just noticed that just helps out a little bit more, and this is 4, otherwise it leaves a little bit of a shell on top. You can go linear on this one. I like line. I'm not a big fan of the whole like hexagonal thing. It just makes it look weird on top and bottom, but if you want to try it, go ahead. Okay, press OK. If yours does not save as an X3G file, you have an old version. So unfortunately, you will have to do the upgrade, but that's the only way you know until you get here. So if it does do this, close out, try the upgrade, call me over, and we'll figure it out. Press save, and the bottom of the screen will do this. You'll do this. It gives me time, and according to this, this will take all 33 minutes. So, little thing here, if you do this, it'll actually go through the cycle of how it's going to print it. I think that's cool because I'm a nerd. Alright, press back, that's done. Now we're going to go File and New. I don't need to save this because I already have it saved. File, load file. We're going to do the bottle first. Yes. Okay, there it is. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate it. You have to click on it, otherwise it won't rotate. Now, if you hover your mouse toward kind of the right side of this, you'll see how you get these XYs. I'm going to go on the X until I get it can stand. Until I get it can stand. Me English good at today. Alright, hit move, make move go center, and on platform. That way it's centered. Okie dokie. Next, we go to load again, and we're going to do the coil. Yes, that's fine. We're going to rotate it again. It should be selected. If many things are selected, then you'll know you have an issue. There it is. Okay. Now, if I wish to move it up, I can. You have freedom here. So you can do whatever it is you want to. There we go. Now, these are the same colors. If you do it like this, it'll print the same color. So if I click this again, I click extrude, I go left, it will be the same color as my lid, unless I change out plastics. You need to let me know these things. Alright, print. Hit on high. I'm going to go 25% infill in this one, hexagonal, fine, line. This one should be thick enough, but just in case, I'm going to change these to 6, and this to 3 on the shell. In speed, 40/40. Why do I go that? Otherwise, the printer starts to shake, and your print will be horrible. I do want a raft on this one. I'm going to go to the right side because that is the color of my bottle, and it will just be a little bit of a clean up at the very end. All right, press OK. Yes, I'm aware this other platform is saying, dude, you got this thing hanging out here. Is that okay with you? That is okay with me. So please call this your name bottle, because I will see a list of them and it's hard to dictate whose is whose. You press save. This thing goes down here. Drum roll, please. Psh, 6 hours and 2 minutes. Whoop-de-doo. And then, of course, if you wish to, why do I do this? Because I just think it's cool. But if you want to see how it's going to print, you can go all the way down there and you can see every single level possible. And you see this little thing down here at the bottom? This is the raft. This is the stuff you have to peel and sand off. But if you don't have this, what's going to happen is, I'm afraid with this curved bottom, it's going to topple over throughout the print. So press back, call me over, we'll grab it, I'll try to start printing it, or I'll put your name on a list, and we'll get it done. And that's the end of the bottle. Hope you had fun. I did. Good luck on the next one. Talk to you later. Bye.